Why are there not more people talking about mastering on-page SEO? Today we're diving into how you can get the best SEO results of your life. First things first. Let's talk content. Make sure your pages are packed with valuable information. Use keywords naturally. Think of how people actually search. Next up, meta tags. Your title tag and meta description are like your website's business card. Keep them clear, catchy, and keyword-rich. Now let's look at site structure. A clean, organized site helps search engines crawl your pages. Use headings, H1, H2, to break up content, and keep URLs simple and descriptive. Finally, internal linking. Link your pages together to guide visitors and boost your SEO. Think of it as creating a web of pathways throughout your site. There you have it. Master these on-page SEO tips, and watch your rankings soar in 2024. Happy optimizing. Heard the buzz about technical SEO? It's time to get your site in shape. First off, speed matters. A slow website drives visitors away and tanks your rankings. Use tools like Google Page Speed Insights to see how your site stacks up and follow their recommendations to speed things up. Next, mobile optimization. Over half of all web traffic is from mobile devices. Make sure your site is responsive, loads quickly on mobile, and offers a seamless user experience. Test it out with Google's mobile-friendly test. Finally, let's talk about crawl errors. These are the roadblocks that stop search engines from indexing your site properly. Use Google Search Console to identify and fix these issues. Look out for broken links, 404 errors, and redirect chains. Remember, technical SEO isn't a one-time fix. Regularly check and tweak your site to keep it in top shape. Mastering these basics can give your website a serious boost. Got questions or need more tips? Drop a comment below and let's get your site performing at its best.